Hi, my name is Nafisa from The Ordinary, and today we're going to be talking about the Ordinary Squalane Cleanser, our gentle and soap-free way to cleanse the skin. Most makeup products and facial impurities are water insoluble. As a result, rinsing the skin with water may sometimes be ineffective. This is where surfactants come into play. Surfactants are ingredients that are mainly responsible for the cleansing action of a product. The Ordinary Squalane Cleanser uses some esters which are considered surfactants. Not only do they hydrate and cleanse the skin, they are also very gentle. Esters are compounds that are made from the combination of acids and alcohols. There are two main types of esters in this formula, lipophilic esters and sucrose esters. The lipophilic esters blend makeup and facial impurities that are also lipophilic, detaching them from the skin and dissolving them. Sucrose esters emulsify the lipophilic mixture with water, forming spherical structures called micelles. Think of micelles like middlemen. They hold lipophilic molecules in one hand and water molecules in another, and when we rinse the product, everything comes right off. This product is suitable for all skin types. We suggest using this formula in the morning or evening to remove makeup and facial impurities. Dispense a small amount onto clean hands and warm it between the palms to transform the formula into an oil-like consistency. Next, gently massage the cleanser onto dry skin, then rinse with lukewarm water. The result should leave the skin feeling smooth, soft, and moisturized.